important.
Maak ka, mamaa. Di na sakto.
I really do appreciate you agreeing.
Bad na.
I'm happy to do it.
Di na pinatagaan pagkaon ha, mamaa ka.
The hospital changed my schedule.
Unsay buhaton? Kung mamaa ka, unsay buhaton? Nasa kang mama.
Things lately, so thought it'd be better if you took her.
Paminaw.
You've been away a lot these past couple years.
Take. Unsay buhaton? Kung nakasa ka ni mama, unsay buhaton? Itay lang.
How does she feel about it?
Unsay buhaton? Kung nakasa. Wah, bad ha. Paluy-luoy diretso. Paluy-luoy ka. Wah, paluy-luoy. Bad ha. Wah, paluy-luoy oh. Ikaw amigo nimo, maldito ka.
Actually,
Bad ka, bad.
I'm
Unsaon?
tired.
Wah, paluy-luoy, paluy-luoy.
I thought you were gonna do 30 years. So did I. Then they tried to put me on a test.
Paluy-luoy diretso.
It's just not me.
Eh? Ikaw yun.
That's the whole reason. Yeah,
Wah, bad ka ha. Di ka maminaw oh. Take. Maminaw.
I missed out on a lot.
Nanong namaa ka? Nanong namaa ka?
Did you get anything out?
Bad na.
Long term, I have no idea. But right now,
Hingaw-hingaw. Unsay buhaton? Unsay buhaton? Nakasaman ka. Unsay ang pagsuri ni mama be?